This video is sponsored by Autolite, manufacturers of high-quality spark plugs since 1935. Visit Autolite.com for more information.
The trails are calling. If you want to get a head start on riding, you better have your machine's ignition at the ready. A good place to start is making sure your ATV's ignition system is in working condition. Having enough fuel in the tank and a working battery are no-brainers, but overlooking the small things like a consistent and efficient ignition could seriously compromise performance. 4-stroke ATV engines have been a welcome innovation, eliminating some of the oil-related spark plug fouling that was more common in 2-stroke versions. Despite this improvement to engines, it's important to inspect spark plugs before each and every riding season. Though fouling is becoming more of a rarity, it's possible that you will find other discrepancies that need correcting. Start by cleaning the spark plug seats and ceramic to make sure there is a tight fit. Next, properly gapping your ATV's plugs and making sure they are torqued to the right degree will keep ignition consistent. Over-torquing is just as bad as under-torquing, so be sure to use a torque wrench. Also key to keeping your ATV on the trail, you'll need to determine if it's time for a plug replacement. New iridium plugs are better at resisting fouling than previous copper versions, and they help provide increased fuel efficiency and more consistent starts over a longer period of time. For the Autolite XS, starts are 26% quicker, and hydrocarbon emissions are cut by 21%, adding that extra power. For more information about spark plugs, visit Autolite.com.